Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Bingx and why it is probably the best exchange out there right now, okay? They have so many features, okay? They are just way further ahead than any other exchange out there, and they are validated and they are trustworthy compared to a lot of exchanges out there as well, right? So today we're going to be talking about Bingx, how to sign up, how to use it, and all of the things that you can do on this exchange in general, okay? So without further ado, let's just jump straight into this. Okay, so this is Bingx, and before I do jump into this, I do just want to say if you use the link in the description below, you will get exclusively only with this channel, you will get 20% off your trading fees, and this is a massive advantage compared to other traders on the market, right? So definitely check this out in the description. I will be walking you through how to sign up as well, so don't go anywhere. And now, without further ado, let's talk about Bingx. Okay, so Bingx, as you can see here, they are the official sponsor of Chelsea FC, right? Chelsea FC is a massive top 5 football team, okay? And to have an exchange sponsor a team like that, it just goes to prove the validity of this exchange, right? They are the real deal, okay? None of these scammy exchanges, right? If you're sponsoring a football team like this, you're an official source and you're an official player in the game of exchanges, right? So good stuff there. If we are going to scroll down here, they do have all of your favorite coins, okay? So you've got Pepe here, you've got Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, just to name a few, but pretty much any coin you can think of that is successful to a point, then yes, you will find it on this exchange, and you can use this exchange to purchase those coins. Okay, if we are talking about purchasing, actually, right, there's 2 ways you can do this, okay? One of them's a bit more risky, but the one you really want to focus on, if you are a bit more of a beginner, guys, is spot. Okay, so spot trading is very, very simple. It's just literally picking up the coin on the exchange, and then you hold that coin in your account, okay? If you are a bit more risky or a bit more of an advanced trader out there, then you might want to use derivatives, right? This is the futures market, and all you really need to know about this is you essentially just take on more risk when you are trading, and essentially all you need to know about derivatives and futures here is that there's a thing called leverage, right? So if you buy a coin, you can up your leverage and potentially earn more rewards. But I will warn you guys that you do take on more risk, and with something like this, you can get yourself in tricky situations if you are not careful. So if you are an advanced trader, then yes, definitely check this out for the futures. Again, with your leverage, your fees are going to be times by that leverage as well. So what we will say is having that 20% discount on your fees that you can get exclusively in the description does help a lot when it comes to finding take profits, okay? So yes, you can use spots, you can use futures, and then there is this other thing called copy trading, okay? If you don't know what copy trading is, guys, well, copy trading is probably the easiest way for trading if you are a beginner, okay? Because if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know technical analysis, if you don't know anything like that, well, you can just simply follow these guys that do. You can follow these guys that make money consistently with their trades, okay, and literally just copy every trade they make instantly, okay? So if they get in a trade, you get in a trade. If they make money, you make money, okay? So really fantastic stuff to have this copy trading ability on Bingx. So again, definitely check this out. If we are looking at some of these guys, these are obviously the top performers. You want to be following the top performers, of course, and you can see here, yeah, this guy has made 85% here. Fantastic stuff, okay? And yes, there will be some that do lose, okay, but you've got to essentially go in, look at the chart, find the best one, and then find that trader that's consistently winning, okay? Fantastic stuff here with the copy trading side of things. So now I've talked a little bit about what Bingx is and how successful they are and how good this platform is generally. Let's talk about signing up, okay? So to sign up, all you got to do, press the link in the description. Very, very simple. You'll be taken to a page like this, and as you can see, many, many rewards for you just for depositing onto this exchange, right? So if you did want to earn an extra $500 for depositing, then be sure to check out this exchange because they are literally just giving away free money right now, okay? But yeah, signing up super, super easy. All you got to do is enter your email address, enter your password, okay? And then hit sign up. Very, very simple. You will get a confirmation link sent to your email, and then your account will be activated, okay? What we will say is if that's a little bit too complicated for for you guys, not a problem. You just press continue with Google and you're sweet, okay? Very, very easy to sign up with this exchange, all right? You can also use mobile as well if that does take your fancy. Okay, so once you've signed in, you want to click on this spot here, okay? And if it is your first time using the exchange, they actually have a little tutorial here for you guys that you can actually just read and go through to really learn the UI if you are a beginner, okay? So yeah, it's going to walk you through everything here. You've got your assets down on the bottom right, okay? You've got your trading set up here, so this is where you actually go and make your trades, okay? And then you've got your orders here at the bottom right down here, okay? So when you are in a trade, all of your orders will be down in this area, and that's something you want to keep an eye on to really monitor your profit, all right? If you want more tutorials, you can actually go up to this spot guide, and it will teach you everything, of course, but we are going to be doing a lot more videos on this channel about trading, about Bingx, so be sure to stick around for that. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, okay? But yes, all you got to do here to pick up your favorite coin or to buy some Bitcoin if you want to, right? Then, yeah, click on spot, you will have this trading setup, and then you essentially find the coin that you want, all right? Very, very simple. Exactly the same for futures here, okay? So yes, you click, you find your coin, and then you essentially just go from there. Make sure you are using an appropriate leverage. I would not advise 125x, probably somewhere around 5x to 10x if you are an experienced trader. Anyway, if you go a lot higher than that, then you risk being liquidated, and that's not something that is fun, okay? So be sure to avoid that if you are a beginner trader, but if you're a bit more experienced, a bit more confident in your trades, then yes, a little bit of leverage can maximize your profit. If we head over to copy trading again here, following a copy trader is very, very simple. All you got to do is click on their profile, like you can see here. This guy seems to make money, all right? In the last 30 days, he has made like 100%. That's crazy, okay? And yeah, it looks pretty consistent across the board from what he's doing, okay? This guy's from Romania, all right? So what we can do, one, we can subscribe if we just want to watch his trades, or we can press copy and do it. I haven't actually signed up for the copy trading here yet, but yes, once you've signed up, once you've KYC'd, you can do this very, very easily, all right? In terms of security, guys, it is very, very important when you are trading with crypto that you do have 2FA set up, okay? So 2FA is essentially Google Authenticator, okay? So an app on your phone, you'll get a little code every time you sign in. Very important that you have those, because if you do get hacked for whatever reason, the only way they can get into your account is by hacking your phone as well, which is very, very hard to do, okay? As well as that, you can link up your phone number, your email, of course, and you can set separate fund passwords for different transactions on the exchange. So definitely set up all of your security for your exchange. Super important here to really have this down, and then you're covered in all instances if a hacker does compromise one of your systems. So that is Bingx. I do just want to say this is your opportunity, okay? If you want 20% off your trading fees, this is where you need to go, okay? Only with the link in the description you can do this, but in summary, these guys offer a lot. I am going to be putting out a lot more videos here, guys, for you to really walk you through all of the features of this exchange, because there is so much here to really cover. I wanted to cover the basics here today, but there is a lot more to cover in the future, so be sure to subscribe and be sure to check out those videos as well, all right? But yes, in summary, Bingx, fantastic for copy trading, fantastic for spot trading, so just picking up your favorite coin, and brilliant for leverage trading as well if you are a bit more experienced. So again, hit the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to drop a like on there and leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I'll be sure to answer it for you. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.